Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to use Windows security to scan for viruses. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. So first is first, you have to go to your start menu right here or tap on the search icon and then search for Windows security. So here what you're going to do is tap on open. Wait for a couple of seconds and you will see this option on the left side. As you can see, there's this home, virus and threat protection, account protection, firewall, and network protection. So to scan quickly or scan a virus here on your PC, all you have to do is tap on this one right here. Now, as you can see, there is this current threats, no current threats. So you can also do the quick scan and you have other options right here. So if you tap the scan options, then you will have here quick scan, check folders in your system where threats are commonly found. You can also do this full scan, check all files and running programs on your hard disk. This scan could take longer than 1 hour. Custom scan, choose which files and locations you want to check, and Microsoft Defender offline scan. Some malicious software can be particularly difficult to remove from your device. So basically, you can tap on the first one here, quick scan, and then you can do the scan now. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is running. So now here is the result. As you can see, no current threats or threats found. Scan lasted 1 minute and 30 seconds. And as you can see, there is this 21,751 file scan. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.